So today we are back with another Cooking with Ky'lnn video, and today we are going to be making waffles. And I love waffles. So this is why I'm making them. I got big eyes. Waffle eyes, waffle eyes, waffle eyes. Put them on the plate and put them in for 30 seconds. Mommy, the waffles fell on the floor because there was a hole in the wall. I told you. That's okay. Where do I put them? Did you pause the video? No. Okay guys, so we're gonna put the waffles back in the bag where it was. Back you guys couldn't see me. Now you guys couldn't see me. Sorry, not we got the waffles on the plate and we're gonna heat them up. 30 seconds. So yeah, we're gonna wait for that and I'll get back with you guys when it's done. Okay guys, so now we're gonna tear the waffles into tiny pieces. Small pieces. Y'all, making food takes process, okay? You can't rush the process, okay? You have to be patient. Let's rip the second waffle. Also, guys, check out my Always Love Yourself video. And subscribe to my channel and like all my videos. And also, no, just do it. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna get back with you guys after I clean up. I'm not done yet, I just need to clean up some. We just got done finished cleaning up and my mom is helping me.
But I don't want to be on camera.
But she doesn't want to be on camera
Today.
Chop, chop, chop. She doesn't want to be on camera today. Cause hair.
Yes, carry on. Put it in there.
And we have the butter on it. Nice and fresh. Nah, don't eat that butter. If y'all have butter on your hand, don't eat it. It's nasty. So we're gonna put it in the microwave for how many?
25.
25 seconds. And if you guys want to take some tips from me, go to my channel and subscribe and like all my videos. You'll see Cooking with Ky'lnn videos. So my mom is making one of the bagels. Ow! Hang on. Oh, all the meatballs are gone. Yay. Hooray. Okay, so what do I do now? So now, where is this? Oh, so guys, now we're gonna get our syrup. Look at that. This is the, if you see like steam on your food, that means it's nice and hot. But don't eat it. Oh, not too much. Not too much. Not too much. Not too much. Not too
But a different flavor.
But what's the what?
Pecans.
And there you guys have it, the waffles. So if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye, KK World.